sinigaw ako na nakos.
Humihingi ako ng pauman din sa pagbabi.
Mga natin dito na they need a ride na nangyari ngayon. Minsan may event tayo, sumasakay ako sa kotse ni Senator Migsubiri.
Medyo naiinis si Senator Pia dahil naakusahan siya ni Ping Lacson na pinasakay si Bato.
I would be happy to give a colleague a ride. But I'm just saying, that's why I have to repeat na I don't have an issue with Senator Bato arriving in the Senate. I have an issue with the aspersion of malice na parang patabong pinarating dito na gamit ang kotse ko na walang takot na kanan. Kaya to answer your question, wala naman masasama.
Yun nga po eh. Siya na rin po umamin na wala na pong masama, ay ba't kinakailangan po gawan pa po ng posture. Ang alam pong tanong, Sir President, Senator P. Kung halimbawa po,
Ayun po si Bato.
ginawa ko yun.
He is very safe. We're doing our best to afford him the protection that we can give him legally. And
Hindi po pala pagtitibay natin, nakasabihan natin.
nagdadasal kami ngayon for
Nakuha ko naman talaga.
favorable resolutions from the appropriate bodies.
Di ba nakatunayan natin ang isang kasabihan, Sir President, Senator P. Na nagtatali-talinuhan ng masing, nauutakan pa rin. Salamat po.
Mr. President, this is not a response to Senator Marcoleta's questions or statements, but I just also want to put on record na
Sinabi ni Senator Marcoleta na naisahan.
Senator Lacson, lang problema sa atin yun.
Matching
Pero
daw.
kung ako'y nakikiusap sa lahat ng kasamahan natin na mag-ingat naman tayo sa statements because these are very troubling times. Everybody's so sensitive. Kung sino yung kakampi mo, lahat ng ginawa niya tama. Kung sino yung kagalit mo, lahat ng ginawa niya mali. So why would you make a statement that would arouse angry feelings or questions about my credibility or about, anything that would, create any negative implication on your fellow senator? Sana po wag ganun. Yun lang sasabihin ko. Sana walang ganun. Kasi kung wala namang intention, di mo na lang sabihin, di ba? Yun lang naman po sa amin. Thank you very much.
Emotions are high, but we are all called to a higher calling. We all have sentiments. I don't think it will be stopped. It will come out in the next few weeks depending on the
Yeah.
issue. Having said
So,
that,
recap
Senator
lang sa
Pilipinas
mga
said
nakikinig.
yesterday, maraming issue kailangan tumutok.
Si Senator
For the
Pia
record,
is
sa
making a
kotse
manifestation.
ko, si Senator Bato, as he said, when I talked to him
Ayun,
and
ayan.
said, how can I go in the Senate? I was aghast. Senador kayo, bakit problema pumasok ka? But naisip ko yung commercial ni Amang Parika yung sabi, sumakay ka pa. Kaya sabi ko, sa akin ka na sumakay. That's why it's so obvious that I knew he was here because when I spoke earlier. Having said that, an apology was
Pinag-uusapan
made,
kung paano nakarating dito
Move on
si
from that. Senator Marcoleta, because
Senator
you
Bato.
came to my request, I'm listed as first in the privilege speech. You're second. I will ask you if you want to go first.
Thank you, Mr. President. And I rise to question personal and collective privilege.
Your Senator Marcoleta is recognized.
The sponsors of Senate Resolution number 395, four of whom, despite differences, I have my respects, except for one, Mr. President. I'm urging Senator Ronald De La Rosa to voluntarily surrender to the people, to the proper authorities, and seek judicial remedies in accordance with the Constitution and applicable laws and rules.